All right, Parker,
What?
thanks for joining me.
Yes.
Do you know what we're doing?
We're talking about packaging and designing?
All right, so we're talking about packaging and designing.
Correct.
Okay. By the way, this is Parker,
Hi.
and I'm Dad, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what are we going to talk about today?
Packaging?
Yeah, your toy packaging, right?
Correct.
So Santa Claus got you some presents, right?
Some.
Some presents. All right. So what Santa Claus got you was a couple of kits from a company called KiwiCo. Have you ever heard of this company?
No.
So they make a lot of different like build it kits, things that you can, it's really to get kids into exploring and trying robotics and trying just different things. It's kind of like, you heard of STEAM?
Yeah.
Science, technology, engineering, art, math.
Yeah.
Right. It's like STEAM projects for kids. And so Santa Claus ordered online a 3-pack of kits for you. And this was one of them. What's this one say?
This is a geometric laser project.
Geometric laser projector. Yes. Let's talk about these. So there's 3 of them here. What's something that you notice about all 3 of these kits?
That they have they have different pictures, but the same box.
That is exactly what I would have said. So they have this same little box, which is just a cool little corrugate box here that has white printing on it. It makes it look like a crate, right? It says KiwiCo on it here. They just have, cute little nails. It just makes it look like a little crate. But they all use that same box, and they all have these different sleeves that have look at Vanna White over here.
Yeah.
They have the pictures of it. It talks about what it is. The back is all of the components. That's actually a really good way for brands to have a lot of products to differentiate rather than making a total custom box for each one. Just using the same box for a lot of them and then using some small elements like a sticker or something like that helps them keep costs down. Less pieces of stuff, different pieces they have to keep. So absolutely. Well, let's open it. Which one do you want to open?
I want to open that one.
This one? Okay, well, I already pulled the sleeve off for you. So this is just a thin corrugate box. Cool. So what's in there?
Tells you how to build it.
A little manual thing.
Flashlight.
Now, something to note about this brand is it's built for kids. The way that they've built the instructions are incredibly picture heavy. Everything is plain speak. They've done a really good job of really messaging everything to their audience. Cool. All right, what else? Flashlights in there?
Flashlight.
Did this come with the batteries in it?
Yes.
So it's all ready to go.
And then this also has the battery for the robots.
That's pretty killer. So they included like everything you'd need.
Then you have the electronic pack right here.
Ooh. All right. Well, let's talk about this. So this is a lot of the wires and looks like sensors, motors, switches. And they've done these things in a 2 thermoform shell that's just taped together. So there's a mating male and a female shell and rather than like these, peel off blister cards and clamshells and stuff, this is a really easy way to do these and a nice way of keeping everything organized. It's not all just like in a bag. So that's pretty cool. And then what do you have here?
The outsides. There's 2 different designs for what you can make it look like.
Oh, really?
So there's like a ladybug and then a turtle.
That's cool.
Like a pink ladybug.
So this is all like the flat pattern stuff, stickers, Velcro pads, things like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, awesome.
And we have this. That's so it really shows you where everything goes and the wiring. And
Yeah.
everything on the.
So this is a little thin plywood laser cut and printed board that shows you the placement for all of the components. And it's just in this little plastic sleeve with a little, they call this a desiccant pack. These things that I always say do not eat on them.
Yeah.
They just suck up the moisture.
Huh.
It's crazy.
And then bolts, screws, bolts.
Yeah, a bunch of little plastic connectors.
Slips.
Cool.
And then we have this plastic shell.
Plastic shell.
And then wrapping paper.
And then some green tissue filler
Yeah.
to keep everything from just banging around, probably.
Yes. That's what I would
So what do you know about sustainability?
Nothing.
Do you know what that means?
Durable? Like durable or?
I mean, you're not wrong. But a lot of times, especially when we're talking about packaging, sustainability means kind of that, is the stuff that it's made out of like recyclable or made from renewable materials, or that's kind of this whole like circular story, like where does it come from, where does it go at the end? That's kind of that sustainability. So now all of these things, obviously the box, the wrap and everything are recyclable. Most of these actually have several different types of plastic materials on the inside here, just flexible plastics. And these are, none of these are marked as like store drop off recyclable. None of these are labeled at all. So this brand probably isn't really thinking too heavily about sustainability, but which is okay. That's, you know, I think every brand starts somewhere and they have their own little journey. And then this is, the battery clip, some zip ties. Cool. So yeah, what do you think about this packaging?
Good.
Good. Why good?
Well, I don't like because when you first open it, this is kind of tight.
This is tough to get off?
Yes.
Oh, so you don't like that? It is tough to get off. Is it taped on? Okay. Didn't try this one.
Well, because I already pulled the other one off.
Yeah. What did they do? You probably need to cut it off. There, I'll just tear it off. That's why, because they taped it on here. So rather than just having it slid on, they actually tape it on here and then wrap it and tape it again. So it makes it a little tough to get off, but cool. So you think they did a good job?
Yes.
Nice. Well, Parker, thanks for sharing your toys with us. Can I keep these?
No.
Can we build them together?
Maybe.
All right, deal.
Okay.
All right. Thanks for watching this video. If you got any toys you want us to unbox, let us know, and I'll keep them.
No, I'll keep them.
We'll share them. All right, we built it. There it is. How long did that take us? Do you know?
30 minutes.
45 minutes. And it only took us 45 minutes because there's a little bit of a problem with the electronics. The shrink over some of the ring terminals stuck in a little too far and wouldn't allow it to make contact. So we had to do a little bit of diagnosing. We had to use the multimeter.
True. Check
some current through the light sensors. Pretty cool. Overall, I like the way it kind of goes through and explains. So, you know, not really a toy review, but pretty cool gift and cool educational thing. Should we play with it?
Sure.
Show everybody how it works. So the light sensors are wired up to the opposite wheel, and yeah, cool little toy. And then it comes with little cones that you drive it through. Thanks, Parker, for sharing your toy with us.
Yeah.